I'm Jonathan Jones. I work at the Sainsbury Laboratory in Norwich, and I have been there for 35 years. I work on how plants resist disease, how pathogens circumvent disease resistance, and I try and use that knowledge to inform good strategies for durable resistance in crops. So there are tremendous losses throughout the world in crops to diseases and pests, and these are usually controlled by applications of agrochemicals, fungicides, pesticides, herbicides, and really what we'd like to do is to replace all that chemistry with genetics. So if we can move the right genes into a plant to enable it to recognize when pathogens show up and activate defense, then we'll be able to reduce the need for all that chemistry. And one of the problems in the EU right now is they're removing the capacity for controlling crop diseases with chemistry, and they're not allowing any replacements based on genetics. Well, here's what I'd like it to look like, the future of plant biotechnology. Just imagine if no one had ever decided that using the GM method required all this extra level of regulation. So any introduced trait, whether or not it did something useful, was evaluated in the same way as any crop that arises from plant breeding. Any variety that arises from plant breeding is evaluated. So we would have so much more useful technology in our crop varieties than we have now. And I think the regulatory framework is changing, although far too slowly, to enable us to head in that direction.